Hey everyone, and I'm going to be doing my squishy collection, and it's pretty small, and I'll show you the box where I store it, but I won't show my name. Yeah, okay. I know I can't show you everything, oh sorry my hand, because it's a pretty big box, and yeah. So first, so I'm going to do biggest to smallest, and all the small buns are the same size, so I'll just do it in any order. Okay. First, I have this jumbo bun, and it is, sorry, my hand affected on the eyes, and I do not want to squish it that much. That's really squishy. Not that squishy, and back has like a huge rip. There, and I'm not happy with this. And I'll just leave this alone. It used to be squishy. Look how squishy now it is. Okay, so put it there. Okay, next with this is second all of mine. Next I have this party bun. And yes, I have used different paper because I lost my other one. And if you haven't checked out my channel, please check it out. And it's really squishy. And yeah, and this has a magnet on the back. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you something about the big bun. It also has a black non-stretchy cell phone strap. And yeah, I just like doing that to it. And yeah, that's second. I have this really squishy toast. Focus. Yep, it's focusing. Then when we squish it, can't really see the squishiness, but it's really squishy. Okay. Okay. Next, I've got this little pink donut. And it's quite a small squishy collection. And it's quite affected here. And I will deco down this. And if you have this, it's really cool. Because when the flour drizzle comes off, it actually you can deco down it. And here's the back. Has little rips, and this is quite dirty in the back. And then next we have wait, come on. Oh, sorry, I just getting my squishy. Okay, so first for the mini squishy buns, we have this forgot what this face was. These two faces are the same, but this one's missing. Okay. And this is pretty small compared to my palm. And this missing is extra small. Yeah. It's really squishy. There. Then, I have for the mini squishy buns, I'm sorry, the magnet. All the magnets have fell out. And you just put it back on. I'm not keeping the magnets on. I don't know why. But it looks cool. Second one I have is this one. Really squishy too. Really small. I used to have 8, but now I have 7 because I mailed my other one out to my best friend in the mail. And next I have this one, which I really like because it feels good, not like soft, but gets like the defects. And I don't like soft squishies like these. I like these squishies. And at the back has some patches, but that's fine. And this is not quite defective. Focus. Okay. Come on. There. It didn't focus, but it did load, but not for long. Okay, so next in my box, this is not a squishy, by the way. So let me put this back. It is actually not a squishy. It is my confettis. I'll just quickly show you them. Right here are my confettis. So first I have this one, the drawer effect. And please comment down below which one is your favorite. And also, if you can trade for some of these, but you have to offer a while, because these were actually from my friend from the lantern thing, and it was pretty expensive. So, just doing the ones, everything. So I might decide to trade it or not. Maybe, I'm not really sure. Actually, no, I won't. It's really hard to make up your mind when you do it. Okay, now I'm not going to show you everything else, because it will take a long time, and there's still time. And it's already been 7 minutes and 40-something seconds. So, shoe collection. Come on. Focus, please focus. Okay, that's my whole squishy collection. And yeah. And this is all my confettis. And thank you for watching. Bye.